Mm.
Okay, turn balance method, part 3, meridians as their TZM representation. Number 1, in Tan's global balance method, how many meridian groups are explicitly described before introducing the imaging techniques?
4.
4 ba?
Well, meridian.
4.
Yeah, 4.
Or
Which pair of meridians
Siya.
is collectively referred to as a tie-in channel in TCM? In spleen and lung.
Spleen and lungs.
Yin meridians travel in which general direction relative to the body?
Traveling, no? From leg upward to the hand.
Which of the following accurately describes the origin and termination of the LI meridian? Answer.
Starts at the radial end of the second finger and ends at the tip of the nose.
Which meridian pair belongs to Shaoyin group?
Shaoyin. Kidney and heart.
The stomach meridian travels from which anatomical region to which?
Sisimula ito sa from below the eye to the lateral side of the second toe.
Which statement best captures the principle behind treating distal areas in Tan's balance method?
The farther the treatment point from problem area.
Okay. The more effective the result. Okay. So remember that. I rarely use 6 protocol in Tan's global balance method is mentioned. What can be inferred about its prevalence?
It is seldom employed compared to the other 5.
Which meridian is described as starting at the hand, traveling downward, and ending at the head? Downward, kasi ganito siya.
Mula sa kamay, papunta pababa sa ulo. Young meridian of the large intestine group.
The triple hitter meridian is paired with which organ in its group?
Gallbladder.
How many yin meridians are present within a single organ group?
2.
Which of the following best describes imaging principle of Tan system?
Distal to projectum one body part or to another to influence distal sites.
Yang Ming channel is associated with which pair of meridians?
Pag yang may pinag-usapan, large intestine and stomach.
Which meridian starts from middle side of the toe, ends at the chest?
Toe to chest. Toe to chest. Spleen meridian.
Which meridian travels from the chest to the radial end of the thumb?
Lungs meridian.
Which group is labeled Taiyang?
Group 2.
Taiyang? Ah, yeah. Each organ group contains how many meridians in total?
It's meridian 1, 2, 4.
Which meridian is said to start at the head, travel down, terminate at the leg?
Mula sa ulo pababa, no? The second young meridian of each group.
Okay. The Shaoyin group pairs which two organ systems?
Sinabi na to yun, pag Shawi pinag-uusapan is kidney and heart.
Which meridian is correctly matched with its Chinese name, Chui Yin?
Kapag Chuyin pinag-uusapan, liver and pericardium both, Doc.
Yes. The small intestine meridian belongs to which Chinese grouping?
Shaoyang.
Huh? Small intestine.
Shaoyang.
Sayang.
Taiyang.
Sayang.
Wrong.
Shaoyang.
Taiyang. Which meridian pair is one
Ay,
mistake?
Taiyang.
Which meridian pair is associated with Shaoyang classification?
Three for heater and gallbladder.
Yin meridians start from yin meridians start from the bottom of the leg, mostly fingers. Which anatomical error does this statement contain?
Error. The statement confuses toes with finger.
Yeah. Which of the following best reflects relationship between the lung and spleen meridians in Tan's framework?
They tie-in channel together.
What is the significance of the phrase imaging one part of the body onto other part of the body?
Imaging. Transferring therapeutic influence from distal area to the target area.
Wow. Which organ group is paired with the small intestine?
Small intestine.
One, two,
Two.
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 In meridians start from the bottom of the leg, mostly fingers, and reaches the top of the hand, the fingers. Which logical inconsistency does this reveal?
Siyempre yung in incorrect states that the leg contains fingers.
Which meridian is associated with the radial end of the second finger as a starting point?
Second finger to 1, 2. Large intestine.
Which statement accurately reflects the pattern of meridian directionality?
Parter meridian. From yin meridian ascends from the leg to hand. Yang meridian descends hand to leg.
In the context of Tan's global balance method, distal treatment implies which of the following?
Balance method. Siyempre, Doc, targeting points from the site of symptoms.
Farthest, okay? Which meridian pair is correctly matched with the Chinese term Shaoyin? Again.
Ito kanina pa to eh. Again, kidney and heart.
The stomach meridian starts from below the eyes. Which anatomical landmark does this refer to? What do you call that area?
Infraorbital region.
Which group contains the pericardium meridian?
Group 3.
Each organ group has 2 yin and 2 yang meridians. How many total yin meridians are described across the 3 groups? Across the 3.
Across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 2, 2.
6.
6. Which meridian is described as beginning at the chest and terminating at the radial end of the thumb?
End of the thumb. End of the thumb. The lungs.
Why very long? Okay, so
kamay ko.
the tie-in channel combines with which 2 organ meridians?
With tie-in.
Which of the following best captures the relationship between
spleen and lungs?
Yes. Which of the following best captures relationship between Yang Ming and the meridians?
Yang Ming. It first largely distinct with the stomach meridian.
Understanding meridian patterns will facilitate which aspect of Tan's protocols?
Kapag TANS, di ba, distal treatment points, determine that distal treatment points.
Which statement accurately reflects the origin of the Yang meridian that starts at the hand in each group?
From head, pag head pababa. It travels downward to the leg.
The small intestine meridian belongs to which TCM channel classification?
Small intestine. Taiyang.
Yes. You made a mistake earlier, no? Which of the following is most likely to be an imaging technique in TAN system based on context?
Ibang imaging context, siyempre nagpo-projecting the sensation of an area onto another.
Wow, congratulations. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us.